what this thing does when it goes into a snowbank?
Do it. Got it on tape. Do it up.
It might get bad.
Fuck it. What?
What's reverse?
Push down. Yeah, push down and then you gotta push. There you go. Here, you take this. Oh, jeez. You good? Put it forward. Just pull up.
This thing's a pushing machine.
Yeah.
How is that my water?
Don't come up. What?
Can I make it through that?
Yeah, do it. Do it.
Huh?
Go ahead. I'll give you a push if you get stuck. Anthony.
We have a character on our hands.
I'm going to break paths. I want him to follow.
Go ahead.
We're gonna have some interesting moments with this man. Oh God.
All game.
I don't know. All something. I don't know.
Hey, I need a punch. What? I need a punch. You need a punch? Punch.
Give him a punch.
I'll give him a fucking punch.
What? I'm not going out there, it's full of snow.
I like. I'm not going out there, it's full of snow.
Am I? Yeah, done it. I need someone to come down here. Pull me down.
Maybe.
It's not like we're stuck in the swamp like that time.
Dan, why are you trying to plow that out anyway? It's hopeless.
Oh shit. Dave, damn camera down and help me. This rope won't break, I promise.
What, am I supposed to pull it?
Oh, dude,
I'll help.
Nope. Got a special guest here today.
Shift up to first. Here you go, big boy.
It's all yours.
Putting this on like YouTube or something? Yeah.
Why not, right?
Oh, Jesus.
What? You have a problem or?
Facebook. How you doing there, big boy? You gonna push me? Alright. I'll let you get off. Get off on Ryan's face.
Oh.
Whoa.
Jeez. There you go. He's out.
All
Are
right.
you hooking that up and I'm pulling you up? This will be interesting.
I will.
See it happen.
Yeah, why would you even go in there?
I know. Is it in 4-wheel drive right now?
Yeah.
But you still got stuck anyway.
Yeah, one side's in and deeper than the other.
I wonder how you manage that.
I got the right front wheel that's not spinning. So the diff lock didn't kick
Who wants
in.
to start the beast? The little girl. I
I'll
should've brought
start
the
here.
Warrior
Take the camera.
I'll show you how it's done.
What do you got?
Warrior.
Oh, how many cc?
It was
350.
the summer, we would not even put that on at night. We were just riding without headlights.
Yeah, that's the way to do it. Smash into each other.
Nah.
That's what I do for fun.
Old start, cold start.
Here, come here, Ryan. When it starts to turn over, just get a little.